Well, in today's video, we're going to be doing a few updates to our turtle pond. We had some predators, some little raccoons get in and do some tearing up in our pond. So we're going to be cleaning it up, redoing the waterfall, and putting the hot wire around to scare the little buggers off. You can see some of the bio balls floating around and down into the waterfall itself and down into the pond, and they tore apart some of the plants, and I'm sure they were after the turtles, who are hiding now because they had a predator in the pond. And we're gonna redo the ring and get all of this straightened out, cleaned out, and then Alan's gonna add in a hot wire, as I said, to keep the raccoons from coming over the wall again. Well, we'll catch you as we do a little updating.
Oh, we're cleaning out some of this beautiful stuff that pretty sure it was a raccoon. Thought to come in for a couple nights and kind of have a merry old time. So we're going to try to get it back to like it once was.
Well, that pesky little raccoon sure did make a mess of our pond. We're having to cut back our plants about 2 months early. Hopefully they will regrow and get things straightened out. He's torn up our feeder rings and our lilies and all of the plants, and just made a mess of the pond. And the poor turtles are all in hiding because they're afraid to come out. So we're going to put up a hot wire and scare the little raccoons off, hopefully. We'll get back. So we'll get back to you with another update as we get a little further along. So we've gotten most of the torn up plants out of the pond, and so we'll be putting the filter media back in the waterfall, and then Alan will get started on the hot wire. But it's already looking a little bit better. So Alan's getting the hot wire in, and he's just threading it through some wooden stakes. And then we have a little hot wire box right over hidden in those bushes, and it will be plugged in down there, and hopefully it'll only take a couple times for them to get zapped and they'll stay out of it. And the hot wire's in. It's all staked with wood stakes, and he threaded it through. There's the box for the hot wire. And the pond's looking pretty nice this morning. The fish are up eating, but the turtles are still hiding. Hopefully they'll be out within the next few days.